with another unboxing. Most wanted, ever classic. Let's do it. Okay, this is the bag, and to reveal, hey, it was quite hard to get this because it's very popular and there's just so many tourists. Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. I miss you guys. I've been gone to Bali and Paris for my 40th birthday. I'm so thrilled, I'm so excited. This is such an amazing purchase and I can't wait to share it with you. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Zona. I share videos about fashion, how to style, shopping for shoes, handbags, and I share my travel vlogs and eating out with my handbags. So I hope you subscribe, like my video, and share it to your friends, and write some comments below. Let me know what you think of the items that I am going to be sharing with you. I will really appreciate to know your opinion. Are you ready? So let's unbox this big box. So this is the Holy Grail bag of Chanel. This is most wanted, ever classic. And oh god, this is actually a repurchase. I had this bag a while ago, but then I decided to let it go. I have sold a lot of my bags when I decided to do some investments for my own retirement and personal portfolio. So I thought I had no regrets because I had to discipline myself. I want to make sure that I am in line with my financial part of my life before I start shopping again. And so now I'm lining up again my classic collections. I'm slowly buying each item that I really loved and I know that I could keep forever. So, and this is like, I miss this bag so much and I can't wait to share it with you. I'm very excited to have it back in my closet, and this time it's actually very special because I decided to buy it at the flagship boutique in Chanel in Paris when I was there for my 40th birthday, and it was such a great moment to be able to do that. And I know I will really recall these memories, cherish the memories as long as I live. It was a quite interesting experience and I was so glad. I met so many great people, and now let's start with it. So excited to reveal. I know a lot of my friends can't wait, and most of them that are close to me and have known me for a while, I'm sure you've seen me rock this bag years ago, and now she's back. Let's do it. Okay, so oh my, this is such a cute flower. I really love it, and so nice. All right, let's start. Here she is. So this is going to be the first time I unbox it since I came back home, and I have seen it at the boutique for a short time, and I had them box them right away because you know when you're in Paris you just wanna go all over the place and somehow you already know what you're gonna buy and what you're gonna get. So this is the bag, and to reveal, let me take it out of the box. This is such an exciting moment. Oh my god. Can you guess what this is? But anyway, it comes with these booklets here, so let me show you quick. making it more exciting, huh? Oh gosh. So it has a little booklet here like so, and then of course it shows when did I purchase the bag, and it has the 19 Rue Cambon. It made it to the end of January, which is my birthday month, and I really decided to do it that way. So it's part of my birthday gift. So it has the It has the Chanel Boutique, Rue Cambon, 19 Rue Cambon, which is their flagship. So they kind of put the card here, right there. So it shows that, and then it has all the delicate details. They show a picture on how the bag was made. And then it also comes with some booklets here, another booklet, and this one is to clean the bag. So you use this to clean the bag, comes with it as well. So here she goes, and you just put it in your hands and wipe it off. Or you can puff up your bag with this cloth. And to reveal, oh, let's do it. Oh my gosh. All right. Ta-da! Not yet, okay? There's some layers. So, oh my God, thanks to my SA, it was quite hard to get this because it's very popular and there's just so many tourists, and actually a few boutiques there, they don't have it. And I was lucky that my plan of purchasing this bag at the flagship store, that was my birthday wish list. To be able to repurchase this again at the flagship Chanel boutique in Paris was just one of my wish for my birthday. So this is a very special moment, and the SA or CA that helped me there was Sebastian. Hi Sebastian, oh gosh, you are very helpful. Thank you for securing this bag for me. I know that it's still really popular and most wanted, and there's only a few, so lucky to have it. So now let's reveal. Ta-da! Oh, again, there's another layer to it. It's just layer after layer. This is such a beautiful dust bag. I love the material. I love how it feels. It just feels so luxurious. All right, so finally, let's do it. Oh gosh, I'm gonna turn it back. Okay, so I'm gonna tear it up here in the back, and here she is. Ah! Oh my God, this is such a wonderful purchase, wonderful birthday gift. I'm feeling so blessed. Oh wow, I'm sure you know already what this is. This one is in caviar leather with a gold hardware. Of course, it's the classic Chanel. I gotta get back to it. I have a couple other Chanel bags and a little chevron mini I gave to my daughter. So, but I'm starting to put together my Chanel collection again, just slowly, because of course they are very expensive, but oh my God, such a cutie. Do you like it? Oh my God, this one I don't think I will ever sell because it's very sentimental to me. I purchased it where Coco Chanel started her store, and on my 40th birthday, so nothing can be more special than that. This is such an amazing bag. I used to really love it. I love the color. I always like gold and purple is my favorite color, and of course black is always neutral, and the color of the year is black and white, so it's just all rhyming all together. And it's nice to be wearing this, and it's all CC everywhere here, and very excited to reveal some of the items that I also bought. So I wanted to do this one first because it's the most dear. I'm going to, of course, do my own version of how to style this bag, what fits in the bag. So I will be revealing that video whenever I have a chance. I'm so excited. I hope you guys are happy for me because I am very happy. So here she is. She's back to my family now. Wonderful. Oh my god, I can't wait. This is just very perfect height for me. So I have it in a Caviar, Chanel Jumbo Caviar black. Oh my god, stunning. I like this more because it's more carefree and more durable. And the price of Chanel now is really gone up so high. This is like almost 7,000 here with tax in America. So I'm very glad to get it in Paris with my tax free purchase. It's just adorable, and it's just nice to shop in Paris, and I feel that that's what I should be doing. I'm curating my collections again, more on the classic first, and I plan to shop my big purchases in Paris, and the ones that are hard to get there, then I'm gonna have to try to get it from here in South Coast. Actually, I have put in another bag in my waiting list there that I couldn't get in Paris, so I'm excited for that as well, and I can't wait to reveal. All right, so let's move on. Too bad they don't have this in Jumbo and not in Caviar. This is lambskin, is too big for me. I want the Jumbo Caviar, and they don't have it anywhere in Paris right now. Crazy. So sold out. I'm buying my Chanel bag birthday gift. So excited. Oh my god. I can't wait to show you. I want to try it. Yeah. Yes. It is so beautiful. Oh my god, I love it. Oh, beautiful. I'm so in love. Oh wow, it has chocolate cake. Beautiful. I hope you enjoy my unboxing from my Paris Chanel haul. I really had a wonderful moment in Paris. Thanks a lot for watching my unboxing, and I plan to do another unboxing and will be sharing that with you, my other items that I picked up from Paris. So make sure you watch them all together, and I'm gonna do a haul at the end. And oh my god, I'm just very thankful, and I thank you to all my subscribers. You are my friends now, you're part of my family, and I hope one day we could meet, and I'm very happy. All right, have a good day, have a good life wherever you are. Stay healthy, and make sure you watch my other videos. I love you.